Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bara here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the Google Sheet, which works based on our advanced option strategy. And this sheet looks like a option scanner, which we can look at the options trading strategies by using this tool. So will help you to find out a trade opportunity by uh, finding a trade by using a scanner. It looks like a scanner. It's not providing any buy sell tips. So we need to find out the trade opportunities by using the scanner to find out an options only an ATM. Okay, so weekly positional and monthly positional. Okay, so we are looking for an intraday also. Intraday sheet which works based on the camera R4 breakout. This is what yesterday's report on Friday. So a lot of stock which given you the breakout. So the breakout level is showing you 100% once the breakout is done. So that will be showing in green color, and some of the stock which is not liquid. So here it's act as a scanner. It works for all 184 F&O stocks. Okay, we are not separating. Maybe in futures we will be adding a volume and also some other factors also we are planning to add in this. But here is about the video for the update for the next week, and monthly contract which is not yet started. So we always planning the trade from first of the month, but here it's showing you the last one day after the Thursday expiry. So we are adding only one day for that, and the sheet is seeing which is running for up to 31st October. Okay, so but this monthly sheet is started working from which is going to effectively work from 1st of November for the November contract. So whatever the price which is showing you here is about November series and November contract strike price only, but this is valid for up to 31st. So 3 days only, 27, 30, 31st. Maybe you can use it for an intraday and not for a positional one. So as per our monthly concept, so if you are looking for, you should wait, and this monthly sheet which you can apply from first of the month. So for a November contract monthly positional trades. Okay, and weekly positional also we are updating for that particular 1 week. So one day, not a week. So last week after expiry only 1 day is left. So that we find out, and even some stocks like Canara Bank and Shriram Finance, which given you the breakout. I think Canara Bank 360, but this is not a fresh breakout. 360 call option which moves very big, and but it has given you the breakout before the first 15 minutes candle. Maybe after that high if you are looking, but our entry point is around 26.8. And this first candle it made a high, and the second candle it's given you the entry 26 932 932 945 candle 26, and it made a high of 29. Maybe our breakout got triggered, and then it went up to 33, then it returned back to 27. So that is the only day. On Friday only it works, and now we are going to update the data for the current week. So now weekly sheet we will be getting from 30th October to 3rd of November, and for a November contract. So 5 days is the contract which is available. So weekly sheet is going to be updated, and monthly sheet it looks like a same. Okay, it's possible. So we can look at this on monthly from 1st of November, and intraday you know well already. It's about a daily update sheet, and here so when the market is opening by the gap up and the gap down, so we will be getting a lot of stocks which triggers by the first 15 minutes. So we don't want to take that. Only fresh breakout after 9:30. If you find any stock which breaks that level, so we can plan for those stocks. So if you are looking at a perfect breakout after 9:30, so maybe you can look at after 9:30, so below 100, so which is stocks having good volume and liquidity, so we can plan for an opportunity from this list. Maybe some of the stock which given you. So let me check about Adani Port 770. 32 is our breakout one, 32.8. Adani Port 770. 32.8. So we can look at the first candle is 30.5. So our breakout which is happening around 32.8, that was triggered here at this point, and after that it came down to 28, and finally it moves to 36. So this is what an intraday opportunity. You can use your indicators or your trading methods to apply. So it is a tool to find out a trade opportunity. It is not giving you any buy sell signals to buy this or buy that. It is purely for a F&O stock scanner and the ATM option scanner. And from this, so we have some conditions. So based on this condition, you can plan your trade from this list, or even you can try for the stock which is in the top also. You can plan like Dabur 510, and that is what an call option. So you look at this, it was started and it's keep on moving upper. So if you find, but you can see there is a liquidity issue, and you should focus on the volume of that particular option contract should be good. So or else we can face with some liquidity issue also. Okay, so weekly contract which you are looking for next week, and the data is going to be updated for the week of first week of November, the 2 days from October and 3 days from November. So we are going to look for this one. Okay. Um, just we are going to update here, and I'm going to update the sheet for a weekly as well as intraday. Monthly would be updated from 1st of November only. So if you are my advanced option strategy student, which you are already done our strategy, then you can wait for 1st of November and you can plan with our strategy. And also we are providing so a lot of indicators, that is what a charting scanner screener to find out the trade opportunity, that also you can use. And if you wish, you can also get the sheet and you can use for it. It's a very low price which I'm giving you. So because of the data cost and other fees, so we are charging for this. Okay, this is not purely a buy sell signals. You will be getting the disclaimer. So okay, we'll be updating soon. From the sheet, I'm just going to real time. So these are the two trades which you are looking for on the Friday only, that already done. So we are going to focus only for the next week, and the data which I'm going to update you right now here in the sheet. Once I done, so you will be getting that exact one. So we try to update the sheet. If you have any other questions regarding this sheet, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown here. So try to update the sheet in real time. So weekly is going to be from 30th to 3rd November. Okay, weekly sheet, and intraday sheet also is going to be updated for next day. That is what Monday. Okay, weekly, and my monthly sheet will be remaining same. Okay, that would be only updated after November 1st. Don't confuse it. Only that 3 days we are looking at this one. So going to work for this 3 days and only use for an intraday purpose only, not for a positional one. So because our positional concept, which we are going to start updating or applying from 1st of the month only. Okay. So let me go to update the sheet. Where will I update? I think looking for an update. So, but some data issue. So maybe that sheet will be updated by the morning. So after this update, you will be getting the new weekly sheet and a new intraday sheet for tomorrow. And right now the sheet is updating, but that what we are exactly looking for. So maybe in the morning we will update that sheet before the market open. So for a weekly, monthly, and uh, monthly sheet would be C for the next 2 days, and a weekly sheet which you are going to update it in the morning, and intraday sheet also be going to be updated. So weekly sheet is for a full week for next 1 week, and a monthly is from 1st of November, and intraday for tomorrow. So that is right now it is not updated, but in the morning before market start, we will update all the things. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions and doubt also, you can just ping me. Thank you so much. Thank you for being with me. And thank you for supporting and subscribing the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Kindly make your subscribe the channel. Thank you.